So hello, good day everybody. So today I'm going to show you our system. So first of all, if you're going to access our system, a register frame pops up and will ask you to register prior to logging inside our own system. So right now, since we already have an account that has been registered, let us mimic ourselves as a specific user. Right now, we're going to go in the account details and find a specific user that has been registered into our system. So right now, let's mimic Erjan Balawi as a specific user to access our own system, which is the clinic system. So right now, the account phone number is 12312 and the account password. Oh my god, did I just adjust that? Early bird is the account password. So today, since we have already registered, we're going to log in and we're going to put the account phone number. So guys, the account phone number is just a mimic since the original account phone number is 11 digits, so 0x10440598. So that will also um um that is the normal account phone number. So today I'm just going to mimic a specific user. The specific word has been used quite often here since that is the only word I know um, to show you our walkthrough. So log in. Since we've already successfully logged in, we are going to press OK since a pop-up message or a pop-up dialog uh, has told you that the account match. So okay. So right now you have the freedom to navigate our system since you've already successfully logged in into our system. So right now, we're going to navigate through the schedules. So here, it will show you the available schedule. Um, the available time that you can appoint yourself on into. So let's press appoint. Now, it will ask you to fill the your name and your age as a patient. So right now, I'm going to input my name and then the age, which is 21. Right now, we save it. Nalista ka na, Noy. Okay, it says okay. So, we're going to back, and then log out. And then we're going to mimic ourselves as an admin. So I didn't put an SQL for the admin since you can there's always you don't always have two admins since it would be stupid to add two admins or three for just a system project. So press admin. So username is 12312. No, I forgot. It's one admin 123 and password is 123. Log in. Now you have successfully logged in into our admin schedule. Right now we're going to find the specific patients information who have appointed into our system earlier. So, aba pa konsulta, you can see here that Earl John Balawing has appointed itself into our table as he have filled the user's information earlier. So right now, if you want to delete the Earl John Balawing, you are just going to find its name. So Earl John Balawing. And then if you're going to delete it, it says here deleted successfully. So right now, if I'm going to go back and then mapakonsulta again, his specific information is gone. As I have said earlier, the specific word is going to be used quite often. So back. And here is the database where the doctor or the admin can list all of the patients that that has been diagnosed after, of course, he have conducted a consult on the patient. So let's say, let's say, Maxil Orukay, age is 40, address Bacolod, diagnosis, I don't know what it, let's say, he has, let's say, guapo, that's his diagnosis. The gender is male. As you can see here, there's still no Maxil Urukay. Well, there is, but it the diagnosis is Tam Ani Guapa. But now we're just going to add the diagnosis of Guapo. So let's see if it will successfully add on the table. So as you can see, the patient has been added onto our table. So I think that would be all, guys. Thank you.